It's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team, taking a look at your forecasts for the rest of the week here. As we get into the work week, we're going to see this high pressure system that's been off to our southeast start to shift back over the Colorado Four Corners region, and that's going to put a block on a lot of the monsoon moisture coming out of here. The moisture is still going to be in the mix, but it's going to have to take the scenic tour all the way around that high pressure, and so that will limit the amount of moisture that we have to deal with once we get here into Colorado over the next week, except for maybe Wednesday. You can see a little dip in the jet stream here on Wednesday. That could provide some lift and an opening for some low pressure to get some storms going, but otherwise we're going to be talking about getting back into the heat, which is 90 degrees or hotter. That's one of the metrics we use to measure how hot a summer has been, and so we are sitting here at 49 90-degree days here in Denver for the season. So last year we had 47 the entire summer. So we're already ahead of that, and we're also ahead of the average number for the entire season, which is 46. And we still have about half of August and all of September to go. That's the 90-degree potential season. So our projection here at the moment, 61 in total. That's given the fact that we may have a warmer than normal September, where we get an average of about 5 or 6 or 7 of those things over the last 10 years. So we do have still some heat to go, about 12 more days on projection, but at least we're not anywhere near those records in the 70s, which we've done a couple of times. But if we make 61, it will get us into the top 5 for the most 90-degree days in history. Here's your forecast for Monday. Lots of sunshine early on, a few clouds in the afternoon, but no rain coming from these clouds this time around. Temperatures may make it to the 90-degree mark as early as Monday. Taking a look at the futurecast, we're not going to see a whole lot of precipitation with that high pressure in the block formation. Just a few isolated showers across the entire state of Colorado. Not a lot of coverage. Starting out here on Tuesday morning, we may see quite a few clouds here in our area, but again, Tuesday afternoon, not likely going to reveal much in the way of precipitation, perhaps down here in the San Luis Valley or the San Juan mountain range. Looking at the temperatures here for Monday, we're going to be right on point here for average. 58 is our forecast. 58 is the normal low temperature here in Denver. At 10,000 feet, we're starting to see those 30s into the mix, which means the 14ers have been in the freezing mark. So this time of year, last 2 weeks of August, first 2 weeks of September, we start to look for that first dusting of snow on the high mountain peaks, and that'll be possible at any time with these temperatures. But the afternoon highs are going to be very warm, into the possible 90s here across the Front Range and parts of the Northeast Plains. A warm day with lots of sunshine across the mountains. Here's your 7-day forecast in Denver. We saw that little dip in the jet stream on Wednesday. That could be something to watch here for some strong and some heavy downpours of storms. And then we're back in the heat for a few days, and the moisture does look like we'll get back into the mix here with higher chances by next weekend. That's your forecast. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all have a real nice week.